This is the official start of the science.
Boys and girls and teachers. Our special business today will be on the subject of waves and sound.
To make a sound, something has to vibrate. But it won't start to vibrate by itself. First you have to hit it.
See it, Steve? Sound travels in a wave. In a wave. Wave. Sound travels in a wave.
To make music.
It's all a matter of vibration. You see the unifying thread.
Sound travels in a wave.
Pulses with the air drum into motion. It's all a matter of vibration.
Music changes us.
We'll do what you do. We're gonna do it. How did I know that?
Music connects us to ourselves and to others. Song lasts at the core of life.
The rhythm of the music. The rhythm of the music.
Science in music.
The rhythm of the music. Music changes us, inspires and moves us. The rhythm of the music reaches all of us and unites us.
It's easy to blow up, and it stays inflated. Is the balloon magic, or is it science?
Science.
Oh, I thought it was a magic balloon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Moving through the air to make music.
It's all a matter of vibration.
Happy birthday to you.
Vibration of voice box. Voice box.
Thermal expansion.
We live in an ocean of vibration.
Sound waves travel through the air like ripples on a pond.
The nature of sound.
We live in an ocean of vibration.
Music flows within us. It speaks for our souls.
Music keeps us in touch with this entire vibrating world, both outside and in. It is as precious as life itself.
Music connects us to ourselves and to others. Song lasts at the core of life.
The rhythm of the music reaches all of us and unites us.
So now when we hear the world around us, we know that sounds are made when something vibrates.
Sound travels in a wave.
Listen to every sound.